Here we have the cats making out, as I like to call it. What they're doing is actually licking their faces and the backs of their neck, because they can't get to that themselves. They have to get clean. But I like to think of it as, well, I don't like to think of it, but that's kind of what it looks like. And considering they're brother and sister, it really doesn't thrill me. But when I move out, I guess I'll miss this. Alright, no, I won't miss this. But they're still cute. Aww. I guess I would be less disturbed if they didn't look like they enjoyed it so much. If it wasn't just a cleaning ritual that is instinctive to them and seems to be something that they genuinely enjoy and seem to rush to do whenever they get into that position. There you go. Yeah, like the back of your sister's head. That's what we all came to see, is you licking the back of your sister's head. Alright, I'll miss it a little bit.